Hi everyone, we are inside the School of Commerce and Management, IIMT University Meerut, and today we are going to be accompanied with an incredible man, the Dean of this college, Dr. Satish Kumar Singh. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, this Commerce and Management is one of the widely accepted courses. There's 80% of students who opt for Commerce in their class 11th and 12th and who plan their career in this stream. So, sir, ideally, as per you, what are the correct future scenarios of these people?
Commerce and management is management and commerce which are everywhere. Whatever the field is, whether it is engineering, it is communication, it is management, agriculture, everywhere you will find management is there.
Absolutely.
And basically these are the people, those who take the management of any institutions, of any organization to the next level. Is that they want that their all-round development should be there, and as such they are looking for that after 5 years or 10 years working down the line, they are reaching to the top-notch positions in their organization. Okay. So ultimately, School of Commerce and Management, we have two departments. One is Management Department and the second is Commerce Department.
Okay.
And in Management Department, we are beating all rest of the institution in terms of that we are having all courses. All courses to name with, we are starting from the bachelor degree, that is BBA, master degree, MBA, and then we are taking to the doctorate level also. So we are providing PhD in management as well.
Here in IIMT?
Yeah.
Great.
And there are 20 scholars right now, those are pursuing their doctoral degree program with IIMT. We started, the university established in 2016, and even 2017 onwards, scholars are admitted into this program. So that is the uniqueness of IIMT Management College. Then second, here in commerce program, we are also having the similar kind of phenomena.
Okay.
Here we have BCom honors, then we have MCom, and highest level of degree, that is PhD. So these all courses which are being offered by School of Commerce and Management under these two departments.
Okay. So, sir, again, there are hundreds of colleges and universities who offers this program out to students. So why should students consider IIMT University as their first choice?
IIMT University, if you see that we are an institution which was started from the management.
Okay.
Our chancellor took this institution from the management college. 26 years back, IIMT started from a management college, and since then now it is a university. So the students of this institution or IIMT group, where now we are university, but earlier when we were college, our alumni are spread all around the world. Okay. And these alumni are playing a pivotal role in guiding our students, and they are also guiding us what is the requirement of the pedagogy, what is the requirement in pedagogy that is required, because the world is changing very fast.
Absolutely.
You know that the management is the field where dynamics is required, and whatever the latest technology, tools, techniques, methodology, like we have laboratories for research.
Okay.
We send students for the outside surveys, we send the students for consultancy projects, we are sending the students to regular industrial visits, we are sending the students for the regular to our professional bodies where we have acquired membership, because what I believe, until unless they are not exposed to the real time environment,
absolutely,
they will not be able to deliver when they are going to face the corporate in the near world, in the near future.
Of course, along with this theoretical knowledge, the practical exposure is also very important in today's scenario.
Yeah.
Sir, the other thing that is very common, and every person is there having this thing in mind, that what about the placements? You know, people invest their 3 years or 5 years time in our Commerce and Management College looking forward to a bright future. So, sir, what is the placement record?
As I told you earlier also, as far as placement is concerned, before that, how we groom students on placement, I would like to highlight on that. Here we have group discussions which are regular features, case study that is for the PG programs and UG program as well, invited lecture from the industry, students are being sent to industrial visits. So basically the student had overall knowledge of the scenario, how they have to present themselves. So we basically work on two parameters in order to have good placements for the student. The first one is the knowledge.
Okay.
which students are visiting to the laboratories, our research labs, they are being exposed to the online resources, we have databases, we have softwares like SPSS where we train the students.
Okay.
And second, when they have to go to industry, so that they are able to take real life challenges. For that, we do regular group discussion activities, case discussions, and definitely it helps the students to take achievements in the area of their expertise or the area of their specialization where they wish to go. So, and as far as what you asked me that about placements, you see our students of this IMT University, they are bagging top level positions in the industry, and really that is a benchmark, that is a very good reason for the student to opt for the IMT University for management courses.
Absolutely, sir. I'm sure all my students watching this video out here would be now clear that why IIMT University has to be the first priority if you have in mind that you want to pursue something in commerce and management. Just enter here and then we have sir to help you and guide you throughout your future. Right, sir?
Yeah, definitely. I welcome you all to our university and especially to School of Commerce and Management for your bright career.
Thank you for having us here,